This is, again, another product mix decision, and we have a constraint as well here. So this company is producing two types of electric toothbrushes, your deluxe and your standard. And requirement 1 is asking us to identify what is the constraining factor. And so we're just moving down here. So the constraining factor is the capacity, so the machine hours of production capacity. So that is the constraint. So of course that means what we want to do is maximize our contribution margin per machine hour. So requirement 2 is prepare an analysis to show which product line to emphasize, so which one is going to make the most money for the company. And for the information here that we're using is of course coming right from the problem. So for deluxe, you can produce 25 toothbrushes in an hour, and for standard, you can produce 55 toothbrushes in 1 hour. So the contribution margin per unit, and you're given that in the table in the problem, so the contribution margin for the deluxe is $79. Contribution margin for standard is $34. So the total contribution margin per machine hour is 25 times your 79, which will give you $19.75. And similarly, 55 times $34, $18.70. So here we have the contribution margin per machine hour is higher for your deluxe toothbrush than for your standard toothbrush. And the capacity that we have available is 4,200 machine hours. So if we're using all the production capacity to produce deluxe toothbrushes, we would be making $1,975 times 4,200 toothbrushes to give us $8,295,000. Whereas for the standard toothbrushes, you're only going to make $7,854,000. So here you would want to emphasize the deluxe toothbrushes because that's the product that's going to give you the greatest contribution margin per machine hour. So that concludes problem 8-55.